Thousands of Filipinos gathered at Luneta to protest against corruption in the Philippines. And while the P-pop groups were not physically present at the rally, they still stood with the people. This time, through the power of social media, several P-pop idols and groups took to their official accounts to post messages of solidarity, expressing support for the fight against corruption. With their huge following online, their words quickly spread, amplifying the voices of ordinary citizens. Many shared and echoed the same call for accountability, showing how powerful it can be when artists use their platforms to inspire social awareness. Even without marching on the streets, these posts helped bring more attention to the movement. It proves that in today's digital age, activism isn't limited to rallies. It can also thrive online, especially when influential voices get involved. This shows once again that P-pop isn't just about music. It's about community, unity, and standing for what's right.
Akala nyo ba ang kapangyarihan ay nasa inyo, mga p***? Ngayon, mga kurakot, kulong na yan! Mga kurakot, kulong na yan! Kaya, hinahamon ka namin, Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, kung gusto mong magkaroon ng magandang legasiya, ang pangalan mo, ipakulong mo lahat ng magnanakaw. Nakatingin kami sa iyo, Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, at inaasahan ka namin, hindi dahil sa idol ka namin, kundi dahil sinaswelduhan ka namin at inaasahan namin na tutuparin mo ang inuutos naming mga employer mo. Kami ang nagpapasahod sa inyo. Tapos na ang panahon na natatakot tayo sa gobyerno.